Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tasks from ClickUp with custom status automation disabled. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace containing the tasks you wish to withdraw. Open the specific list or folder that holds these tasks. Identify the tasks you want to withdraw from view. Click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the task list. Select Filter from the drop-down menu. In the filter options, choose to show only tasks with a specific status. Deselect any custom statuses you have enabled. Ensure that you only have the statuses you want to see checked. Apply the filter to refine your view. With the filtered list displayed, select the tasks that you wish to withdraw. Click on the Bulk Actions button at the top of the task list. Choose Change Status from the Bulk Actions options. Select a status that indicates the tasks should be temporarily hidden or paused. Click Update to apply this new status to the selected tasks. Your tasks will now be withdrawn based on the updated status. To confirm, review the list to ensure only relevant tasks are visible. You can disable the filter by clicking the Filter button and selecting Clear. This completes the process of withdrawing tasks from ClickUp. Now you're ready to manage your tasks more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.